So if you want your image to go from this to this, well, you came to the right place, because in today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly that. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ali. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to cut out the background from your image for free and without losing any of your image quality. And the best thing about this is it's completely free. If that sounds good to you, then keep watching. Alright guys, you come to the browser and you search for Adobe Express. And this is the one you want to go to. So you open that and it says here, make a free project with Adobe Express. So before you start, you can get Adobe Express for free. They're not requiring you for credit card and it's 100% free and forever. This is basically a tool that works just like Canva, where you can edit your photo or video, and it also have the background removal feature. So if you go and scroll right here, you see all these options right here. We have remove background, resize image, convert JPG, convert PNG, and so forth. And as well, we have video and for the files and a lot of the fun stuff. But in today's video, we're only focusing on the remove background. But before you guys start and just click on remove background, you can do that, but you actually are required to create an account before you download. So before we go here, then you click on get Adobe Express for free. Alrighty guys, so we are already signed in and this is the dashboard. So we want to go back to that remove background feature. So you click on this plus icon right here, and then you see all the features that you can do here for video and stuff. But what we're focusing on here is the remove background. So you click on that and it's gonna pop up this screen right here. So all you gotta do, I have this picture right here and I wanna remove the background for this picture. So all you gotta do is I drag and drop this picture right here and it's gonna do its magic. That's it guys. It took literally less than 10 seconds to remove the background. And as you can see here, the image quality is pretty crisp. There is no loss of quality whatsoever. If you want to customize it, you can just click on the customize right here. If you want to download it, you just click and download straight. So, but let's go to the customize and see what you can do right here. So you can just go and resize the canvas or do whatever you want to do with it. And also you can add text right here, or you can add photos and whatever. So if you're familiar with Canva, this also can feel home to you. So we don't need the background right here. We don't need anything. We just want it to be transparent. So you just click on download and then you choose this PNG transparent background and you click to start to download. And here it's asking you where you want to download it. So I'm going to have it on my desktop. And as you can see here, this is the before and this is the after. So let's see the after. And as you can see here, the image quality is pretty crisp. There is no loss of the quality whatsoever. Alright guys, so this is how you remove the background from your image. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. It's going to help me a lot. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless.